to Promas group of companies. We have three verticals: Promas Engineers Private Limited, Chemac Equipments Private Limited, and Promas Research Laboratories Private Limited. We are all located at Navi Mumbai, Rabale, Maharashtra, India. Now, Promas group of companies have done a lot of innovation for pharma, bulk drug industries, and today we'll talk about Promas Engineers Private Limited. Promas Engineers Private Limited is looked after by our Mr. Anil Zarkande, and he takes care of all the operations of Promas Engineers Private Limited. Promas Engineers Private Limited has offered many innovative solutions to pharma industry, API industries. So today we are going to talk about one of such innovations, that is agitated Nutsche filter dryer. Today the API industry is growing very fast in India and all over the world, as well as chemical industry. Promas Engineers Private Limited has developed this unit, very innovative solution required for all this API industry. Let's understand this equipment. Look at the equipment. The purpose of this equipment is basically to filter the filtrate, and the cake is to be filtered, as well as it has to agitate and squeeze at the same time, as well as drying also can be done. Maximum drying can be done in the same machine with all solvent recovery. So we have a solvent recovery, like we have a vapor pipe, condenser, and again the whole thing comes back after condensing in the receiver, where the mother liquor from the ANFD comes down in the receiver. This was the whole unit about ANFD combined unit, and the whole unit is such that it has got the top dish. The top dish is provided with a safety valve here, and then a compound gauge. When you want to use pressure, it indicates the pressure. When one wants to use vacuum, it indicates the vacuum. Then we have a autofocus camera here, which is ATEX proof as well as flame proof. Then we have a charging nozzle, which can be closed afterward with a valve there. And then again we have a pressure gauge fixed on the water line, whether it's a hot water or hot oil, it can be used. It has got light glass also, and there's a light here which is very specially designed LED flame proof light. It has got pneumatic lifting and lowering arrangement for the agitator. So agitator goes up and down as per the cake gets collected in the filter vessel. So it's agitated the cake and compresses the cake, as well as open up and compresses back by agitation, and the maximum solvent is filtered out. The unit is provided with there's a pipeline there with a valve, isolated pipeline, is mainly for taking out the solvent by isolating the upper unit, so without disturbing the filtration, and the solvent can be taken out. So this is an arrangement provided with a valve there. The pipeline is made out of stainless steel piping here, and it can be flexible also. It has got quick release coupling. So whenever one wants to remove it and fix it, you can remove it so that it gets shut up. This also gets closed, and this also, so no water or the media gets leaked here. So no droppage there. So this was a standalone unit, and the portable receiver is there. The receiver, that is filtrate collecting tank, again provided with jacket, which has again, it can be heated or it can be cooled down. The receiver is provided with the level indicator. It has got a level indicator, is a drain valve. So this is the filtrate collection vessel, which is jacketed and provided with either heating or cooling, both with a quick release coupling, and we have a stainless steel piping for that. This is provided with a level indicator, glass level indicator. So whatever is level is there can be indicated by the glass. It has got a drain valve here for the main vessel, as well as for the drain, for the drain and direct outlet, which goes to the heating or cooling system. This is a total standalone unit, and with which we have this receiver or filtrate collection vessel along with the legs, and the legs are, you can compress it and then you can take it out. The arrangement has been provided in the legs here. For all the 4 legs are provided in such a way that just by pressing the vessel, it goes out, compresses, and we can take it out. This about the vessel, which has got a quick release coupling. It has got isolation valve with a pipeline, and all stainless steel pipelines required. The pipelines can be even flexible silicone tubes also can be provided. So we have a filtrate collection vessel which is jacketed and provided with a heating system or cooling system with a stainless steel piping for this, which has got isolation valve there, and these legs are provided in such a way that just by pressing the whole vessel goes down, and then we take it out and then again come back to the original, which has got a level indicator with isolation valves, and this jacket drain or its outlet, the drain which goes back to the cooling or heating system. This is a complete vessel which is portable and provided with lockable wheels here. It has a main drain valve also, and it is this also provided with the clamping system, so it can be isolated from the main vessel. The filtrate collecting receiver is provided with 3 legs which are compressible by just pressing it or putting up little pressure, and it again regains the height. It also provided with lockable wheel so that it can made it stationary. This is about the receiver. So let's understand the agitated assembly here. You can see the agitated goes up and down, and it is fully controlled by the PLC here. One can stop it wherever it required as per the cake collected in the vessel. Now let's focus on the agitator. This agitator can be moved in the clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. First we'll see a clockwise direction which presses the cake. Let's understand the agitation assembly. There's a shaft and the pneumatic cylinder goes up and down. As per the program done here in the PLC, the shaft can be rotated clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, as well as the shaft can be lifted up and down as per the requirement or as per the cake collected in the filtered vessel. So here now we'll see how the shaft rotates just by programming it to clockwise direction. Look at the shaft. Now shaft started rotating clockwise direction. You can see that? It is clockwise direction, goes up and down, and it can be stopped anywhere. Now same shaft or same agitation assembly can be rotated anti-clockwise. You can see now it started reverse, in opposite direction. This whole thing is rotating opposite directions. Very sturdy, heavy duty motor is provided to take maximum torque here. The unit is also provided with a nitrogen purging arrangement, or nitrogen gas can be provided with a controlled valve. And as we mentioned, is a light glass which is flame proof. LED light glass is there. And we'll come back to the PLC part. So let's come to the control part of the whole system through PLC. Here at PLC we have various controls on the PLC, like a F4 is to clockwise direction and F5 is for the anti-clockwise direction. Whole unit is compact and mounted very close to the system. Let's come back to the top dish, which is provided with nitrogen or inert gas purging system with a valve there, and light glass with a flame-proof LED light as mentioned last time. And we have a flame-proof sensor which directly senses the temperature of the bed inside the vessel. It indicates the temperature is indicated on the control panel board, and there is a compact heating and cooling system here in the system. It's provided with sensors, both the sensor and piping, stainless steel piping. This are pumping motors. This is chilling unit, and second one is a heating system. The heating unit is provided with the electrical flame-proof heater, and here is a compressor for the chilling unit. The complete agitated Nutsche filter assembly is made out of hydrolyzed C22 material and provided with vapor pipe, insulated and cladded with trichlor couplings to assemble and dismantle. That leads to the condenser, and the condenser leads to the receiver. The whole solvent recovery system can also be replaced by the glass assembly like this. The filter assembly consists of sintered filter made out of hydrolyzed. For the hydrolyzed unit, it's a 5 micron or as per the requirement. The second part is very important, that is discharge valve cum the sampling valve. How it operates can be seen from the demonstration here. The wheel can be rotated and the sample can be taken out, or whenever you want to discharge can be done by rotating the valve like this, and same thing can be again close up by just rotating a simple wheel here. Such a compact and useful agitated Nutsche filter dryer is a blessing for all the scientists all over the world. It's indigenously developed by Promas Engineers Private Limited. Thank you.